Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of this sleeping bag from the North Face. It's called Gold Kazoo or Kazoo. So it looks like this. I already unboxed Gold Kazoo or Kazoo, which was rating 35 Fahrenheit, and this one have rating 20 Fahrenheit. So I can now say that I already sleeping in this Gold Kazoo in my room here, and it's kind of super nice and cozy. It's warm when it's too warm outside, when I'm getting hot in it, but when it's like 30s 40s outside, I comfortable in it. And inside is 69 around, or 68, so I sleep in it. I'm comfortable, but when outside is colder will be, that's why I purchased this one, which is green Kazoo, and it looks like this. I bought the long width, this one. Here it has the North Face logo. Here you open like this with zipper. Zipper is only half to the half of the length. Here it has that pull tabs. And zipper at night, this part is glowing with that greenish substance, which I heard it's not that good. I mean, I read on Facebook, I think, that people were working in some factory that put that substance on watches, and when they had cancer. But hope it's not outside, just inside. So yeah, and so this sleeping bag is made from the down inside feeling. It has 700 Pro down, and it's recycled down. It has here the tag that says green Kazoo. I got 1 pound 12 ounces. Is the weight 78 inches long. What does it say? Recycled. It comes with, here it has the pocket inside. You can put something when you sleep, in some tent or something, like phone, tissues. Here it has like hood that you can put on your head and when you sleep. This one is nicer, thicker than this one, I mean, but still this one I like. It's nice for these temperatures inside, but outside or inside, if I sleep in this right now, I probably would be hot. That's why, that's for colder days when it will be outside more cold, because this one is 20 Fahrenheit. And when I go camping, which I don't know if I go, but maybe I go. I bought it on sale, and now it's Black Friday sale too. So yeah. But this one is, see, it's a little different than this one, because this one has this size pockets, I don't know, like this kind of thingies that sticks out, and this one don't. This one also is filled with 700 Pro, but it has less feeling than this one. See, this one is more thinner, but it still keeps me warm, so I'm glad I got it, and I will not return it. So it's really nice. It also comes, it was delivered with this, in this kind of sack, it says, but it was, I have few of them, so this one says gold weight. and it's here, this one. But it also came with this bag that you can put inside, and it says Blue Kazoo, and it says rating here, and it's the right one. So I have nice compression bag, and this is very nice sleeping bag. I'm glad I've got it. It has nice zipper pocket. Would be nice for camping or even sleeping at house, or when you go to some cabin that is not warm, not as warm as your house. It's good to have nice sleeping bag that you will feel warm inside. So yeah, I'm glad I've got it. It also has this kind of belt when it's puffy on the edges of the zipper, which will keep the warmth inside. Let's see if the gold one has it. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it has. See, it has it too, but only on this upper side. Yeah, on upper side. So yeah, that's it for unboxing my sleeping bag. Thank you for watching. Give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye. And in the next one I will also unbox another sleeping bag from the North Face. So stay tuned. Bye. Pas de soleil,